In the world of technology, the Apple iPhone 13 with a 128 GB capacity and a sleek midnight finish reigns supreme. With a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, visuals become a vivid experience, taking your viewing pleasure to an unprecedented level. But what's a smartphone without a powerful camera? The iPhone 13 boasts a dual 12-megapixel camera system featuring ultra-wide and wide lenses, promising crisp and clear images every time. And for the selfie enthusiasts, there's the 12-megapixel True Depth front camera equipped with night mode and 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. With the advent of 5G technology, this gadget ensures lightning-fast connectivity, keeping you ahead of the curve. Operating on iOS 14, the iPhone 13 offers a seamless user experience. And to top it all, the A15 Bionic chip promises lightning-fast performance, making multitasking a breeze. So, whether you're a gaming aficionado or a professional on the go, the iPhone 13 is a companion you can rely on. From Rajiv Infotech, this is your tech update. Stay tuned for more.